Welcome to this week's edition of your Los Angeles real estate market update. So we got a few negative economic data points that came out last week, but don't forget, when it comes to the Fed and lowering interest rates, bad news equals good news. The unemployment rate unfortunately went up a little bit and wage growth is slowing down. Now, this is what the Fed wants to see in order to feel comfortable lowering interest rates, so the latest chatter is that we should see an interest rate cut as early as June. But as always, they will continue to follow the data and update us accordingly. The problem with that is the data can be revised. Many of the positive data points that we saw last month are now being revised down to the negative, which happens all the time. So this is why it's so important to not get too bogged down in the granular data and just take a step back. The facts that we do know are rates will come down. We don't know when, we don't know how much, and we know the market's already hot, and we can pretty much guarantee it'll get hotter if and when rates come down. Now, with respect to this hot market, yes, there's bidding wars, there's offer deadlines and crazy packed open houses, but I'm seeing buyers being very discerning. It all really comes down to price, right? They don't really want a fixer, but if it's very competitively priced, that property will get a lot of attention. It's also specific to price range. 1.5 million and under, very hot right now. Above that, things aren't going as quickly. Again, though, if they're very competitively priced relative to their value and their price range, they'll see a lot of attention, but there's just fewer buyers at that price point to begin with. And with rates going up in the last year, it's taken many buyers out of that price point. So there's just not as much competition. That's all for now. We'll take it week by week and I'll continue to keep you updated. If you have any questions, you know where to find me.